And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 28. Let me show you how I can create basic dashed outlines. We need the stroke menu. You can find it in the window in stroke, and make sure that your object has a stroke. So give it a stroke color, maybe black, and increase the stroke width right here. I go to 25. Now we can see it. Make sure to show options, and then you will find this checkbox for dashed line. If you check it, it's going to be applied as long as your element is selected on the canvas. And now you have these boxes. The first one for the dash determines the size of it. Be aware that it's a relative value, so you have to balance the values for weight and dash a little bit. You can also use the arrow keys right here and have it gradually bigger and smaller. But what about the next box? It says gap. Well, this is the distance between the dashes, so you can adjust that numerically as well. And there are even more dashes and gaps, because you can create these dashed outlines with 3 different dashes per outline. So let me make that big, 25 and 25 for the gap, then 5, 5. So 5 for the size and 5 for the gap. If I go to 1 here, you can't even see it because it's so thin. Let me go up to maybe 15. I'm gonna make the gap a little bit bigger. Let's say 10. And now you can see 3 different gaps and 3 different dashes. There's also this box right here, and that is for the dash alignment. Usually you want to have the right hands, so this right hand icon active. This aligns the dashes to corners and path ends, so it basically makes the ends look the same. But if you switch to the other one on the left, this will change the corners. So you can see that here now every corner looks different. And this is how you can create basic dashed outlines in Illustrator. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.